Hello, my fabulous friends. How are you today, my wonderful, fabulous homemakers? I wanted to quickly jump in here because a topic of discussion really came up in the group and we really got rocking and rolling on it. And it was, do you believe your mindset can keep you from getting your home organized? And we discussed it in depth. We've got that going on right now. And it seems that we feel, I should say, the consensus is that your physical health, mental illness, whether it's OCD, ADHD, ADAD, whatever it is, MS, any of that stuff, low self-esteem, and depression and all that stuff, and COVID, of course, yes, that can hold you back from getting organized. Now, I am Deb. You're in the office with Deb. You know I am your decluttering and home organizing consultant. But we're going to be getting into mindset now because it does hold you back. Now, think about your own life. What are you not doing? Are you not getting in that master bedroom closet where you're having a hard time organizing it? Do you need to restructure your kitchen cabinets so that when you're looking for beans or something, you can easily find them? You're not spending 5 minutes and moving cans around trying to find the right beans? Think, and that's how you get your answer to the question is, do you think your mindset can hold you back? Now, granted, we're going to be really getting into this in the group. We're going to incorporate it into the group, and whether it's going to be a whole month dedicated to mindset or it's going to be individually during the month, every month, I'm not sure yet. I'm still working that out. But everybody feels that we should address the issue of, can your mindset hold you back? Because yes, I believe it does. And another issue that holds us back too is, and you know this probably too, we get so busy in life. We're working, we're taking care of the kids, we're running around, we're trying to spend time with our friends, we're trying to see our parents, whatever it is. And you're like, I really need to get into the garage. I can't even barely get my car in the garage anymore. I got to move some stuff out of there. I got to get that clutter out of there. But somehow we keep putting it off and we keep putting it off. What is it that triggers it? Is it just busyness? What is it that makes us procrastinate? Is it mental health issues? Is it ADHD? What is it? And that is what we're going to be getting into and talking about more, because so much has happened in life. Prices have gone up. We're finally getting away from wearing masks. People are still social distancing. I'm seeing that. There's still people wearing masks. There's still people that are vaccinated. Freight charges have gone up and all that stuff. We still can't get everything we want on our shelves, and it's definitely affected our lives, and unfortunately probably our mental health from it. But we'll be getting more into mindset. If you have anything you want to see addressed as far as mindset and home organizing, please put it in the comments. Let me know, or DM me if you don't want to put it out there. I understand that. So, but yes, your mindset can hold you back. And we're going to discuss some of the issues that can hold you back coming up in the future. And I will be doing some of it on this profile page too. Well, anyway, I want to wish you guys a happy Friday afternoon. Go out and enjoy your weekend. have some fun, relax, take some self-care time, regroup, and I will see you here. Bye.